Mapaling sagana, Kapampangan Da Reng fans at supporters ng Allyson Hetland king pa na Supra Fans Meet king New Point Mall king Siyudad ng Angeles ngayong Miyerkules, May 20 bilang party ning selebrasyon ning kayang magbalik king Pampanga kay batyang mikoronahan bilang Miss Supranational Philippines 2027. Tinago na rin fans at supporters king special meet and greet ng no karin personal deng Akayabe Hetland may kapagpa-picture at may kisayakin tagumpay ning Kapampangan Beauty Queen king National Pageant stage.
Obviously, JDN they really hold on to their values, and I think the way I also exude that is through my humility. Because I know that we Kapampangans, di ba, sinasabi nila, mayayabang daw ang mga Kapampangan. But I know that we Kapampangans, without the facade, without everything, we are humble. We are all humble, and I think that's how I exuded me being a Kapampangan wherever I go.
Memya mo namang dagdag kulay king event in cultural performance ning anak bale-balayan, ape pakit ing Kapampangan artistry at heritage. Miyampang nemang mensahe ning suporta i Maribel Ronquillo, Assistant Vice President for Administration ning JDN Realty Group.
And to all of us gathered here for this special fans meet, may Allyson's journey inspire us to go beyond the dreams that we hold up to, carrying with us integrity and unwavering dedication in every step of the journey.
Present yan naman ni bating JDN Realty Group EHS Senior Manager Trixie Valdez. Kayag nananiti, binuklat yan naman ng gown exhibit king entrance ng New Point Mall malibat May 20 hanggang 22 nung nukarin pakit lareng at lung iconic gowns ng Hetland ibat king kayang Miss Universe Philippines journey. Kabilang keti ing Dorada Finals gown ng Maktumang, libad national costume ng Sai Makapagal, preliminary gown agawa ng Frederick Policarpio. Dinikdik ng JDN Realty Group in koneksyon ng Hetland king komunidad, kabilang ing panga Miss Nepo na inyang mutya ng Angeles 2024, antimong simbolo ng values ng serbisyo, integridad at excellence. Ako po, Patricia Mamangon para king News Force Pampanga, balitang totoo king Balen, susuyo.